To import a rating curve from a file, you need to have a file with the following characteristics. It must be a text or CSV file with pairs of rating point input and output values, such as gauge and discharge. The curve you add from the file must either be logarithmic or linear and have the same input and output parameters as the currently loaded rating model. Here's an example of the required file. Open the Rating Review tool and click Add. Choose the new rating curve from File. Select the file from your computer. Choose Column Separator and the number of the heading rows that match your file. Enter a name and select a rating curve type. You can enter a comment, and you can choose whether to output a value when the input is below the rating. Click Add. Now you can see the rating and make visible the previous one. And don't forget to save the changes.